everyone, welcome to ATL Marathon.
I'm SAILIKHITH REDDY.
I am RISHAB.
And I'm LAKUMIKAR of Class 8 Excel Public School.
Together we are a team
Stack
squad.
We are here to present our project, The Tumbling Tower.
The Tumbling Tower is a fun and simply great puzzle to play with.
This project is like a puzzle. It covers the features of the block stacking game and that of jigsaw puzzle. We took inspiration from the popular game Jenga. The tower consists of 18 levels, each level consisting of 3 jigsaw type meshing blocks.
The 18 levels are made up of 3 copies of 6 designs.
The pattern of the design repeats itself 3 times after every 6 rows.
The game begins with the tower stacked to full height of 18 levels with all 54 pieces.
Players take turns to carefully remove one block from any level of the tower except the top 4 completed ones and place it on top of the tower. Players need to use only one hand at a time to remove a block.
Players can only stack each level by using the corresponding matching blocks of that design with each layer perpendicular to the one below it. This improves their pattern recognition skills. There is no limit to the number of players.
We have 3D printed all the blocks in the tumbling tower because of the intricate shapes of the jigsaw type blocks.
This also ensures durability of the blocks for frequent handling.
The different jigsaw shapes of the blocks ensure that the tumbling tower aids in improving not just spatial awareness but pattern recognition skills as well. This is an important distinction when compared to Jenga. The tumbling tower ensures a safe, fun, and learning game experience for all age groups.
I contributed to my team by making the 3D models, writing the documentation and the video script.
I contributed to my team by making the designs of the blocks.
I came up with the survey questionnaire and conducted the primary research. I also contributed to the making of the research document.